Hey guys, it's Randy with Hanley Digital Consulting. We spoke with you the other day about a quick video on how to help bring more customers to your business with a better online presence. And in this video, there's going to be some really cool tips, and I just wanted you to keep in mind, even if you're not interested in my services, I'd really like to get your feedback. So there's 3 ways that we can do this, and it's with content, backlinks, and citations. Content is what I'm referring to as words and images, so it's more information for customers, around 1,500 to 2,000 words minimum on your homepage, and it gives us places to put higher search keywords, and that helps take away all the guesswork for Google. And Google likes more images, so the more images we have, the better. And when you're saving your pictures, you want to name it with the right keywords. So obviously, I was unable to find your website, and if I'm wrong in that, I apologize. But I just wanted to show you one of your competitors. This is Advanced AC. We want to have around 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. These guys are lacking a little bit, but we want to have around 15 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And inside your content, we want to have those specific keywords that people will be searching inside your content. We want it bolded and highlighted. So if it's air conditioning, heating, Shreveport-Bossier, we want it to be highlighted, bolded. We want to make sure that people, when it's searched, Google's able to find those keywords, and they're bolded and highlighted and interlinked on your website, so that your website will show up a lot faster. And when you're saving pictures, we want to use, for instance, right here, you want to save this picture as heating and air conditioning repair service in Shreveport-Bossier, as like they did. So you want to make sure that that's done right on your front end, on your front page, and on all your pages, so that those keywords are found a lot easier. The second way is with backlinks and referring domains. So it's basically anywhere one website refers to another website, and Google looks at this to see if the website is trustworthy or not. So the more trust Google has, the higher it'll rank your website. And backlinks come from referring domains, and it's so basically, if that page has a higher rating and it's ranked, that referring domain will transfer that authority to your website. And it's super important to get these backlinks, because this will add about an extra 20 to 30% click rate from the organic search results. So how we do this is we would pull up a tool, and on this tool, it's called Ahrefs, and I would pull up your backlinks, and this is Advanced AC. I'd pull up, and I'm going to show you how many backlinks they got. 608 backlinks. They're getting around 190 views a month. And what we do is we go into their backlinks, and we'll go into all the competitors' backlinks, at least your top competitors, and we would go through and scroll through and see what backlinks that are helping them. So right here's this column right here is going to be how much traffic they're getting, and right here, this is George's Pond. This has nothing to do with the air conditioning or heating, so this isn't really helping them. There's a lot of people come to the website, but then again, it's not really helping them. Public ice skating has nothing to do with AC and repair. So we want to go through and make sure that we're getting the right backlinks, and then we want to make sure that there are do follows. So they have a lot of no follows, so we want to make sure that we're getting a lot of do follow backlinks. And these backlinks, if they have the right enough authority, they're going to bring people to your website. They're going to be on other people's websites referring to your website. So that's what that is in regard to. So the last and final thing is citations, and citations are basically anywhere your business name and number appear on registries like Yelp and Yellow Pages. So the more we can get, the greater chance you have of getting into the top 3 of a Google Map Pack or the GMB. So this right here is a GMB, and your Google My Business page right here is basically every time you set up a GMB, you have a website, you have a GMB, and what we do is we go get these citations, and we try to get around 350 citations for your GMB. And what this does is every time someone's searching for AC repair, heating and air conditioning, whatever it is, whatever services that you provide, your name is in all these different registries, and people are able to find your number, get your number, and you're going to get more calls, you're going to get more clicks, you're going to have people calling you for looking for these emergency services, and that's what we want. We want people who are looking for that service right then and there, and they're going to call you because you're in the top 3. People are lazy these days, and then most of the time they're not going to go scrolling through here because they're on their cell phone. They're just going to click in the top 3, and this is about where 70% of all your clicks and your calls are going to come from anyways. It's right here in the top 3 of the GMP, your Google My Business, and that's just the way it is. And one more thing I wanted to show you, over here in this tool areas, I can pull up your keywords. So I want to show you the keywords. I don't know why it's doing this. So we're going to pull up these keywords, and what we want to do is we're going to go through here and we're going to look at these keywords, and we're going to see air conditioning repair in Bossier City. It's got a volume of 60, it's got a KD of 6, and these guys are ranked second, or ranked fifth. So you know, this is basically what we're looking for. We're looking for these keywords that people are searching for. Air conditioning repair Shreveport, it's got a volume of 150, KD of 12. We want to look for those KDs of 3 and less. So we just go through here. We'll see a 40 and a 0. Red River Cleanup. See 1 minute ago. That's 200. So HVAC 80, HVAC air conditioner repair Bossier City 210. So what we would do is we just keep going through all your competitors, looking for those keywords that people are searching for that have a low KD. We put them in your content, and that's what's going to help bring more people to your website. And because the easier they are to rank, the more times we can get you people coming to your website from those keywords. But again, I found your Facebook page, and what we can also do is, if you're not really interested in a website, we can run Facebook ads for you. We can do social media marketing for you. We have a program that kind of specializes in you know, optimizing the money that you put towards your ads. It's focusing and targeting the right people and getting you the most out of your money, and getting those people that are looking for those services, those emergency services right then and there, and they want your business right now. So with that being said, I hope this helps. If you have any questions or anything, just give me a call, give me an email, or shoot me an email, and I'd be happy to sit down and talk with you guys, see what we can figure out for you, see if we can get you more business, and hopefully help you guys grow. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good day. Thank you.